Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at solving more linear equations. If you've completed the previous videos, review fractions and review solving linear equations, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So let's look at some examples right away. So example 1, solve. When we solved this in previous videos, we said, okay, we'll put all the x's on one side and the non-x's on the other. And so that's what we'll still do here. So we have 4x over 5, so you can go minus 4x over 5 to both sides. And now to put them together, we need common denominator. So the common denominator here is 15. So here we're going times 5 over 5. Here we're going times 3 over 3, like that. So we have 10x over 15 minus 12x over 15, which gives negative 2x over 15. This plus 1 over 15, we're going to go minus 1 over 15 to both sides. So we have negative 2x over 15 equals negative 1 over 15. We're going to go times the reciprocal on this side, so times negative 15 over 2. Negatives cancel out, 15 cancels out, 2 cancels out, what's left is x. And so here we have 15 over 15 cancels out, negative times negative becomes positive, and what's left is 1 over 2. And so our answer here is 1 over 2. And so when we solved this, we had a lot of fractions, fraction computations to do. So we're going to look at another way to do it. And the other way to do it is to get rid of fractions right off the bat. So here we have divided by 3, divided by 15, and divided by 5. So the number that's in common to all of those is 15. So we can go times 15 to both sides like that. And then we distribute the 15 here. So we have 15 times 2 over 3, 15 times 1 over 15, 4 times 15 over 5 like that. And so this reduces to 10x plus 1 equals 12x as such. And so this is now a lot easier to solve because there's no fractions involved. So what we're going to do is go put our x's on the left, so we're going to go minus 12x to both sides, which gives negative 2x. We have a plus 1 here, so we're going to do the opposite, minus 1 to both sides. So we have negative 2x equals negative 1. Divide by negative 2 on both sides, and so x equals a half as our final answer. And so we're going to practice this way of finding x in this video. All right, okay, so example number B. So we have divide by 4, divided by 6, divided by 8, divided by 4. So that lowest common multiple is 2, 2, 2, 3, 24. Like that, right? We saw this in our review fractions video. So now we're going to go times 24 to both sides. Distribute the 24 like that. And so this is what we get after that. This reduces to 18x minus 20 plus 3x and plus 6 like that. So we have 18x minus 20 equals 3x plus 6 like that. We're going to move the 3's to the other side, so minus 3x to both sides like that. It gives us 15x. We have a minus 20, so we're going to go plus 20 to both sides. So we have 15x on its own equals 26. Divide by 15 on both sides, x equals 26 over 15. C. So we have 0.05x plus 0.24 equals 0.03x minus 0.12. So what we can do is times 100 to both sides like that to get rid of the decimals. So this gives us 5x plus 24 equals 3x minus 12 like that. So we're going to put all the x's on the left side, so minus 3x to both sides gives us 2x like that. We're going to move the 24 over, so minus 24 to both sides gives us 2x equals negative 36. Divide by 2 on both sides, x equals negative 18. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1. Solve for x. So A, B, C, D, E. Go ahead and pause the video and solve that. Okay, A. Here we are like that. Lowest common multiple for the denominators is 6. So we're going to go times 6 to both sides like that. Distribute the 6 for both sides. And then that becomes 4 plus x equals 4x minus 3 as such. We're going to go minus 4x to both sides so that we have x minus 4x on the left, which gives negative 3x. We're going to go minus 4 to both sides so that the x's are on its own. So negative 3x equals negative 7. Divide by negative 3 on both sides. X equals 7 over 3. Okay, B. So we have over 6, over 2, over 3, over 10. So 6, 2, 3, 10. Our lowest common multiple is 2 times 3 times 5, which gives 30. So we're going to go times 30 to both sides. This reduces to 25x plus 15 equals 10x plus 9 like that. We want x's on its own on the left, so we're going to go minus 10x to both sides. Gives us 15x plus 15 equals 9. We're going to go minus 15 to both sides. 15x equals negative 6. Divide by 15 on both sides, and so we get negative 2 over 5 as our final answer. C. 0.24x minus 0.03 equals 0.07x plus 0.12. So we're going to go times 100 to both sides like that. Gives us 24x minus 3 equals 7x plus 12. Minus 7x to both sides, so we get 17x like that. And then now we're going to go plus 3 to both sides. So 17x equals 15. Divide by 17 on both sides. X equals 15 over 17. D. 0.032 x minus 0.001 equals 0.02x plus 0.041. So now instead of times 100, we need to go times 1,000 to both sides. And that gives us 32x minus 1 equals 20x plus 41. So we go minus 20x to both sides, so we get 12x. We're going to go plus 1 to both sides, so 12x equals 42. Divide by 12 on both sides, and so x equals 7 over 2. Okay, last example here. We have over 5, over 2, over 10. So we're going to go times 10 to both sides. So this gives us 4 times 2x minus 3 plus 5 times 3x plus 1 equals 3. We're going to distribute, so we have 8x minus 12 plus 15 plus 5 equals 3 like that. 8x plus 15x gives 23x like that. And then minus 12 plus 5 equals negative 7. We're going to go plus 7 to both sides, so we get 23x equals 10. Divide by 23 on both sides, and so we get x equals 10 over 23. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.